Hi, my name is Pawel, I make games, and I'm gonna show you how to use pixel perfect camera. Before we begin, we will need to set the correct resolution. It will be 960 by 540. By default you will have aspect ratio 16 by 9, which will cause some errors. That's why we will need to click this little plus icon and add a new resolution. And it will be 960 by 540. You probably wonder why exactly that resolution. The answer is pretty simple. It's big enough for our web build. For PC build we will just allow full screen switch, no problem. And the second reason is that our background image is 160 by 90. If we open up a calculator, the width of our resolution divided by the width of this background is 6. And the same goes with the height. If we upscale the pixel art image, we will need to make sure that we always use an integer number, and that's what is happening. We upscale it 6 times in both dimensions. I hope now it's clear why do we use this resolution. To install a pixel perfect camera, we will need to go to Window tab and Package Manager. In the Package Manager we will need to go to Unity Registry and look for Pixel Perfect Camera, of course. The install button should be right there, but for me it looks like Unity has installed this package as it was creating the project. Click install, and after it's done, add the component to the main camera game object. We'll use this button and look for Pixel Perfect Camera. At the first glance it looks a bit confusing, so let's look what data it needs from us. First thing we need is something called assets pixels per unit. So, as you probably remember, we have something like that in our sprite sheet. It's pixels per unit and it's 9, so it's probably that. So let's write it over there. Now they want from us something called reference resolution, and this means for what resolution our sprites are designed for. And as you remember, our background image is 160 by 90, and that's exactly the number we need. The X value is 160 because it's our width, and the Y value is our height, which is 90. With a messed up data, Unity will simply set the size of our game view incorrectly. And the main reason why we do this is pixel snapping, and we enable this option right here. Now as we click on a plane, for example, and zoom in, we can see that our objects snap to grid. There is a big chance if we change the size of a sprite, it won't snap to grid anymore. At least not in the correct way. Alright, now it's easier for us to move objects. If you'd like to, tell me what do you think about this solution. In the next video we are going to change order in layers automatically. Have a good day and see you soon!